larger than that. You know what? Front pin needs to come. Go little adapter I bought for whatever reason. The that Vortex Vipers offer. Hey guys, welcome to AO Reliance. I'm young and it's like the crack of frickin' dawn. Getting ready to go out to the gun range today to do a demonstration and get my initial thoughts on the brand new Vortex Viper HD 10x42 binoculars. Here they are, the Vortex Viper HDs. Just got them off of layaway yesterday. We're gonna head up to the gun range, and I bought a cheap adapter to fit over the optic to get some footage through the optic at the targets, kind of as a demonstration around. It's kind of an unboxing and whatnot. But the Vortex has just recently revamped the whole Viper line, so this is the next generation, I guess, if you will, for the Viper line. And the Viper line features HD lens elements, XR fully multi-coated lenses, dielectric prism coatings, phase correction, roof prisms, waterproof, fog-proof, armor tech, rubber armor, adjustable eye cup, center focus wheel, locking diopter, and a tripod adaptable. I did buy the Vortex adapter for setting on a tri-stand, which is that piece right there. Not real happy with it right now, but I haven't had a real good chance to use it. Today is kind of a testing of all this equipment that I just got, because the deer draw's coming up this week. Hopefully I get drawn for deer rifle and we will be scouting. So on this initial, I don't know, test, review, whatever you want to call it, we'll be up at the gun range, and I will be using it up there, and we'll be hopefully getting images through the binoculars at the targets as we're shooting today, when I'm reconfirming my 0 on my iron sights for my AR-15.
It's recording. And the seat's too low. Yeah.
Going left for it to go 50 degrees.
Yeah. Gonna check our target over here, see.
I'll get
So,
right in there.
well, what's awesome about this is because you were shooting into it, I have no idea how off the 0 on my iron sights are. So,
Well, my holes would be smaller than yours were.
yeah, I know. I think mine are these, you're kind of all over the place. Alright. That's
that
me.
looks like one hole, that's 2 holes.
That's me. That's me, that's me. So high and to the left, that looks like that's your little 17 HMR. So let's go take this out there to our 100-yard. Now, I'm not going to adjust that front side iron sight yet, because you know,
this is 100 yards?
yeah.
I thought Pat was shooting 50.
No, he's shooting right here. Were you shooting at this target, dude?
No, I can't.
Are you sure? Because those look like 17. Those look like really small rounds, man. Those don't even look like 223 rounds. Somebody else is shooting at his target.
And they
Those are tiny. Those ain't even. Your rounds are larger than that.
That's
You know what he's getting? He was getting hit by their shotgun pellets.
That's what I was thinking. That's a far range for a shotgun, though. Actually, shotguns can rise you for.
High and left.
Yeah, go ahead. Just stay. Hey, go ahead. Just stay up around the head.
There we go. Coming out to check my next 5 rounds. Pretty sure I got to come up on that front sight. And honing my marksman skills on my windage a little bit because I'm all over the place with this gun. Of course, that's what happens when you only shoot a particular firearm once or twice a year. I pulled out the AR-10. I'd already be bored with it because it's zeroed in. Yeah, it looks like I'm still grouping high and to the left, so I need to bring that front pin down a whole bunch. Maybe one turn. One turn.
Okay, that's nice. That's cool.
Yep. Definitely needs to. Front pin needs to go up. All right, guys. Just loaded up here at the range, getting ready to head back home after catching some film through the new Vortex Viper HDs that I recently purchased in preparation for the Arizona rifle deer season. The draw for that is this week coming up, and you know, got my fingers crossed that I'll pull a permit, pull a tag on that rifle hunt, and we'll start scouting not next weekend but the weekend after. Anyway, the footage I got through the binoculars off of a cheap little universal adapter I bought, for whatever reason the phone wasn't recording audio. It's bone silent, so I'll keep some of the I'll keep that footage edited a little short because you can't really hear anything, and every time the rifle went off, the tripod and binoculars shook. So, but I think it gives you a good representation of you know, some of the clarity that Vortex Vipers offer. And I failed to mention, you know, in the intro of this video, when I went through the product specification and specs, the MSRP on the 10x42 Vipers is $649, but I got mine for under $550 at a Sportsman's Warehouse. And what I really liked about the purchase, which I didn't realize until I got it home, was that Vortex provides you with a chest harness with your purchase. It's a cheap chest harness,
But right now, it saves me anywhere from $50 to $100 on an added expense towards my hunt. So, anyways, guys, that's it. I'm on the highway now. Got a Silverado trying to press the old Tundi here, but I'm gonna head it home. Keep it safe. Stay tuned. Hopefully, in a couple weeks, we'll be next time you get footage through that same glass, we'll be looking at whitetail and muley deer. So be safe, take care, and as always, better to have the knowledge and not need it than to need it and not have it. Peace.